Hey guys, what's going on? Here we go again. Freaktography, another big bad Urbex adventure. Today, I'm in it's like a science nature resort kind of place, but it's also like a research facility. It's a summer camp slash science nature resort. Pretty cool place. Britt and Ryder were in here. Britt and Ryder and I were in here about, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 years ago. Went through and took some pics, and I was in the neighborhood, so I thought maybe I'd come in and check the place out and do a video. Pretty big place, really cool. It's got like bunks and dormitories on one side, and then a little bit of tunnels that go underneath to the main building. And then there's the science nature laboratory up at the front, and then there's some pretty fun stuff at the back, like treetop trekking type stuff. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. We're here right now. I'm in the boys' dormitory. So I'm gonna wipe the sweat off my forehead. You guys cue the music, cue the intro. See you guys on the other side. Okay guys, here we go. So like I said, we're in the boys' dormitory section, and you got a whole bunch of double bunk beds here. Probably sleeps like 50 people at least, maybe even more inside this one room. And lots of noise in here because this building hasn't been used in a really long time. So as I walk, the whole building is just creaking, as you can probably hear. So I'm gonna turn the camera around here and give you guys a view of the room that we just started in here. Take a look there to the left, a bunch of bunks. Got a couple of pillows left over right there. And that's it for this room. This here's a teacher's room. Oh, look at this. This wasn't like this before. All this water damage here. And this here is probably the girls' room. Okay, guys, make our way down here. See what else there is to see here. This here takes us to the boy. Okay, so this is the girls' dorm, and this will take us to the boys' dorm. Nice and cool down here. Here. All right. Seminar room. That's about it. Everything here is probably going to be pretty empty, guys. But it's a pretty unique spot. Big happy sun looking at us right here. The rooms are all pretty empty. If you're wondering why I'm not going into the rooms, I'll show you one. There's a locker room here. Quartermaster storage. It's where you put the boots, store all the boots, all kinds of other stuff for the kids who stay here. Now, I believe, guys, that this way there is an alarm, so I have to be careful. If I go to the left, I believe that there's an alarm. this way. We got a staff room here, and there's a piano right there. Take a look here, see how she sounds. Yeah, sounds good, guys. Sounds good. All right, now I'm going to take a walk up these stairs here, guys. Stay away from the motion sensor. And this here, guys, is your cafeteria. Nice, big, lofty cafeteria, guys. And take a look down here. And, oh, wrong way. Down there, you got a, looks like it's a painting that shows you how they pull the sap from the trees, how they make maple syrup, because they've got some tubing that goes from one tree to the next. So that's some sort of an example of how they do maple syrup, guys. Here you go, guys. There's part of the kitchen there. It's where you get your food served. And then down here, there's a green piano down there. Oops, hold on a second. There you go. Green piano, and it's blocking a giant hole smashed into the window. It's got a big board over it. Nothing too exciting here quite yet, guys. Got the alarm's going off here, guys. This looks to be like it's an office, also where they use this room for boarding up broken windows, most definitely. Here's your office area and your desk. Empty. So this isn't the most exciting of places to explore, guys, that's for damn sure. Thought it would be a little bit more interesting. Guess not. So why don't we go take a walk, guys, and we're going to head over to where the science nature lab is outside. It's a separate building. It's pretty interesting. So we're going to go through these doors here, and I'll meet you guys when we get over there. Okay, guys. It's the thing with exploring in the summertime is how freaking hot it is. I'm sweating my ass off in here. Here we go, guys. I'm inside this scientific research lab at this place. It's been pretty much emptied out, but it's still somewhat interesting. I think it might make for some interesting pictures. And, oh man, it is hot out, guys. So I'm guessing this here was probably some sort of like a central, maybe like a fire pit, an indoor fire pit. Yeah, it was, because if you look here, it goes up to an exhaust there. So here's likely where everybody would have sat around and sang Kumbaya and had a fire indoors. That's nice. It's just like a round building that I'm in here, guys. And let's see here. Looks like, judging by this this sign-in board right here, there's been a lot of people in here, just random kids. Noah was here. Molly was here in 2019. Bella, Kentley, Braden, Scott, Boo. This is very recent. Bush was here, and he says Raptors win 2019. Man, this is just like a couple weeks ago. So, there you go, guys. Local kids, nothing else to do. What's in here? Not the most interesting joint I've ever been in, guys. Not gonna lie. It's not that interesting in here, guys. But, checking it out over there. You got a sink over there. And what else we got here? The floor is really weird. The floor is all wet and the paint is like lifting. I don't like walking on this floor, guys. Got chalkboards everywhere in here. Here we go. We got some power here. We got some equipment for the power and for the telephone system and whatever else this is all for. This here is called the battery room. Whatever that's for. No batteries in there though. This is going to be a bathroom, guys. Yeah, this is the bathroom. Got some fresh footprints on the floor. And we got a mirror. You probably can't see me though, but I'll give you a what is up, guys anyways. Probably the only what is up, guys in this Explorer. Head over this way. See what's over here. That's just your janitor's room there for keeping everything clean. And then here's your furnace. And another bathroom here. That's your boys' bathroom. And you know, guys, that's about it, really. Unfortunately, it's not the most interesting joint in the world. Show you up high, though. I mean, you could climb those stairs up there and go up into the roof and the ceiling, but I don't really want to. I'm just already sweating enough as it is. But uniquely shaped building. And then down here, you've got, turn my light off here. And as you can see, they are doing some kind of tests down there, some scientific tests on things. They've got rock gardens. Looks like a rock garden within these tubes, and there's, I mean, I don't know anything about anything, guys, but this is definitely some kind of a research laboratory in there, okay? I guess that does it for this one, guys. Short and sweet. They can't all be awesome. They can't all be time capsules. They can't all be full of really cool shit, but hope you guys have enjoyed this one. It's something to do. I was in the area, thought I'd check it out. I'm gonna go see what else there is to find around this place, around this part of town. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. See you guys in the next adventure. Peace.